Guys, we're at Plantbamboo. We just drove 4 hours down here. Coming from North Tampa, it took almost 4 hours to get down here to Okeechobee. And I got one of the Rhino guys with me.
What up, y'all? You
guys know Harry. But yeah, we're just pulling up right now. It's gonna be a fun day. Lots of big monster mud trucks. Lots of stuck recoveries. All right, we made it past TSA. Now we're getting into the park. There's a long line. Jackal in there. He doesn't know it yet. Oh my God. Yeah, we totally forgot it's President's Day weekend, so there's a lot of people out here. We got a 3-day weekend. This place is filled up. I haven't seen it this busy in a long time, if ever. Think the Jeep will make it?
I don't know, man. I think you might have to put it in 4 high and give it to it.
4 high. We're gonna need 4 low in that. Absolutely wild out here, but this guy just pulled up. He's about to yank him out, idle him out. Yeah, so we got that one. Let's see if he goes through the deep stuff. Coming in hot. He's making it. Well, I guess they decided to try it from around back. Let's see what this guy does. Like he was about to tip that thing. It's a cluster over here. We'll see. We got Nick's rig down there. He's got that boom attachment. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet, but we're gonna show that here in a minute. They're gonna try and drive this out. Carnage out here. I have never seen this many people here. It is absolutely slammed. And we're gonna get out of here right after dark. It's all fun during the day, but it gets a little rowdy at night, and I got a 4-hour drive back, so yeah, we're gonna hang out, try and get some stuff on video. All right, got a couple of them stuck over here. that all these side-by-sides keep getting stuck in that hole back there. As soon as you get one out, another one goes right in it. We've already pulled out like 3 or 4, and now I'm trying to get out of this area and go somewhere else, but it's just left and right. Side-by-sides getting stuck in there. So we got 2 or 3 in a row right here, getting hooked up. We got our boy Harry back here. He's running around hooking everything up. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. You'll see a different perspective from all this content. He does a lot of cool stuff. Wrenches on a lot of trucks, frame off restorations. That's another Rhino employee. It's Harry Dog on YouTube. I'll drop the link.
Got a beer. It's a good beer.
He said I got a free beer out of that one. Let's go. I'm gonna get out of this spot before I get suckered into another one. Oh no. Oh no, dude. Hell yeah. That's great.
No, it's done. Keep going. You're right there. Hey, bury it. We need to test that rope. We got to string test the rope. Just bury it until it stops.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, just put it in first gear. When he hooks up, just stay in forward gear. Why don't you have him do that in your filter?
Alright, got it hooked up. Oh, dude, just dragged it out. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to see your insurance. Dude, I almost ripped the tire off of it. I've been here for 2 minutes. What's he gonna do? Oh my god. Alright, now we got Rev Master up here. Let's see if he can make it. That's the new truck. If you watched the other video, he flipped the other one. Oh, he's walking it. What the heck? This place is nuts. Wow. What do you think, dude?
I think it's been a good time, man. Ain't no place like it on earth.
Well, I found like a canal ditch and I was like, oh, I could probably make that, but maybe not. We tried it, we didn't make it. We're in there, we're about to winch ourselves out.
Rhino USA wins fine.
Yeah, we got up in here, tons of fun. We got our boy Harry out there. We're pretty steep, just staring at the sky back here.
Because I don't have it hooked up all the way.
What do you mean?
It's like the safety latch is enclosed.
Oh, okay, great.
It's the best we can do, bro. It's fucking covered in fire ants.
Is that my winch locked in?
Yeah, you're good. No, it's in free spool. Sorry.
Oh my god. Alright, we got one. Got a Jeep straight framed up. I think Harry's in the back looking for a hitch shackle. I was trying to get to that one over there. I saw that one and then I pulled around and I found him. It's Mayhem out here. And then, yeah, get the Rhino rope on that, throw our hitch shackle in there. He doesn't know it yet, but I'm gonna give him that hitch shackle when we're done here. Brand new one too.
All right, y'all. He's fixing to yank it. We got a crowd forming.
fabrication need.
Alright, D2 welding fabrication. Y'all do TIG, stick, flux core.
Everything, mobile welding, any of your dryer rent, you call it breezy. 24/7, so it comes on site right to you.
Alright, you heard the man. Any of your on-site welding needs or AC, hit up this Razor XP. Rhino USA, West doing the good work.
We got another side-by-side. We're just hunting for these things. I can handle them. They're little. He's got a trailer hitch package on the back of that one too. You good? Woo. Nice and easy. Oh, he's done, son. We were watching that guy go, and then it turned and he made it about 10 feet. It's still got. Oh man. Oh, he popped something running nitrous on that thing. Got her done, son. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, that other one went right into it. Dude, hey, they're right in your same hole. Hey, look. They just went right in your hole.
Huh?
They just went right in the same hole.
Did they?
All right. Yeah, we'll back up and get them. There you go, Harry. Yeah, that's your type of recovery. They weren't even hooked up. I thought they were hooked up the whole time. We got another side-by-side. Or no, we got another Jeep. Yeah, it's really hard to film out here. There's just so much going on. I really got to pay attention to everybody. People keep pulling up in front of me and they're just chaotic. So it's hard to film and do recoveries and watch out for everything. But I might back up and get them. We'll see. The Jeep is covered. Woo, idiots. Oh, that's that same kid, dude. That's that same drunk kid we were talking to earlier. Got the daily out here. That's Harrison's favorite truck right there. That's his favorite truck out here. The Chevy guy. Absolutely wild. So many stuck. Got another side-by-side. There we go. We got a subscriber right here. Hell yeah. That's great. He's like, what do I need to do to get on a YouTube video? That's great, man. Much love out here. All right, we gave him the big 2-inch strap. They're gonna do doubles. They're gonna hook up 4 trucks to this here in a little bit. Start doing truck tugs. Gets rowdy.
Oh yeah, everything, man. It's got removable weights on it.
Look at this big ass rifle.
Rhino USA, 12-strand, double braided, UHW MPE 1.25 kinetic rope out here. They're doing the mega truck pulls, man, it's getting buck wild.
Hell yeah, I think he's getting buck wild too. Well, it's the next morning. Got Harry over here cleaning out all of his beer cans, all the dirty tow ropes. We made it back home though. That was a long day, long day. We didn't get home till at least midnight.
What was it, 6 hours in the truck?
Six
hours.
He passed out. He don't even know. He was sleeping, but yeah, we're getting it. Gotta get the truck detailed this morning.
Alright, get your recovery gear bag out so we can put these soft shackles somewhere.
Yeah, recovery gear bag. That's the garage and then the back of the truck.
We sell those, you know?
Yeah, we sell them. We do. I just don't use them. Actually, I did have them. I used the one for all the snatch blocks and hitch shackles. He's talking about this thing right here. Let's see. One of them, actually, this is my RC bag for all my freaking RC cars, and then like winch blocks and shackles and axle straps and all that crap. But we're gonna go get the Jeep washed. That's about the end of the video. Got some swamp grass hanging from this thing. Actually, not even too bad, but most of the times I go to Plantbamboo, there's like so much crap hanging up from underneath the Jeep from out there. All right, well, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And we will see you next time. Guys, don't forget, once a month we give away a power box kit. It's got a kinetic rope, soft shackles, D-ring, shovel, all types of off-road accessories, couple $100 value. This video, we're gonna give away this month's winner. Congrats to you. Shoot me an email and we'll get your prize out as soon as possible. And if you guys want to support the channel, go to shop4x4rescue.com, pick you up a team decal. If you want to be entered to win the kinetic rope power box, just drop a comment on any video. Once a month or so, we pick a random comment.